The CAD specs provided by Mr. Fife are for his preferred version of the firearm. But given that the file is open source, it's easy for a user to tweak the design to his or her taste.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Imagine you have small hands like I do. You just make an adjustment to the program, and voila, custom grip.
And you can do that to any part of the gun?
Easily.
Did Mr. Pope make any adjustments?
Yes, he shortened the barrel. Not a lot, by less than 1/16 of an inch to 3.43. I'm certain that's why Mr. McVeigh didn't catch it.
And could such a tweak have contributed to the gun misfiring?
Yes.
But could the designer of the gun, Mr. Fife, have done anything about this? Could he have prevented Mr. Pope from making such a tweak?
No. The gun Mr. Pope brought to the firing range was the one he made, with his own tweaks for which he is responsible. Mr. Pope is really the person who should be sued here.